Hello sweeties, welcome to or back to the channel. It's Sugar here, and as you can see we have a package from I Define Hair. In the box you get the hair itself. It comes nicely packaged, and underneath you will also see that you get 2 wig caps and a care pamphlet. So this wig is a 12-inch 180% density wig. I got my cap in a medium. And this is how it comes. I did start to see some of the pros and cons right away, but we'll get to that in a minute. So this is the wig. You can see it has a nice sheen to it, a good flow. This is said to be 100% virgin hair. This is a 5x5 closure. You get the glueless band, the comb in the back with the adjustable straps. You get a comb on each side in the front, and one I did not show you at the crown. This glueless band is sewn in place. It is not a removable one, so that kind of sucks. I do like those. These are the knots and how it comes straight out of the box. They are not pre-bleached or anything like that, so that's how those look. I'm putting on my wig cap, and we're going to get into this install. So I'm going to tint my lace with the Ruby Kisses Contour Cream Palette. I go in with my shade, and that's how it looks. So putting it on, I did notice the hairline is pretty dense. It's not pre-plucked, which doesn't automatically make it a bad wig, but I don't automatically push this one for my beginners. So on to one of the cons that I did kind of pick up on right away was this wig does have some flyaways in the top. It is something I've actually experienced through trying many different wigs, especially more affordable ones. All you really need to do is get you a good wax stick or hairspray, and that should remedy the situation. So getting a closer look to the hairline, it's not bad. I don't prefer this type of hairline, even though this will do. I want to see how the tweezing would be. Is it easy? Like I said, it is pretty dense. It is one that you're gonna have to work on if you want that like really scalpy look. Just doing a couple of tweezes is not gonna really work because this is not a pre-plucked wig. So like I said, this one isn't necessarily for my beginners unless you're okay with that hairline and the way it looks. So that is what it is. With it being a closure wig, the hairline is more acceptable. If it was a 13x4 or something like that, it would be a complete no for me. But since this is a closure and you're going to have it parted down the middle or off-centered, it's not a huge deal, but it could have been just a little less dense for me. So after giving the hairline a little tweeze, I'm going to go in with my E-bend and go ahead and lay it down. I was super lazy with this one. I won't lie to you. I did not tie it down. I just blow dried it. You'll see. But for this to be transparent lace, it actually came out very well. You know, but just sometimes it just be like that. I just, you know, my bad. But now I'm just going to make a slit down the middle, give me 2 little tabs to cut off, and I'm cutting them back as close to the hairline as possible. So right here you can see that I left a little lace, and it looks like I left too much lace, but it's also adhered to my forehead. Sometimes you need to go back and lift that up just a little bit because the spray went down too far, and then cut all the way back and you'll be golden. I'm going in with whatever's left over on my brush that I tinted my lace with, and I'm hitting the hairline with that. Then I'm taking a angled brush with the same color, and I'm going in my part to make it pop a little bit more, and that's what it's looking like. You know, like I said, for me not to have tied it down and it's transparent lace, it actually came out very well. It's laid down and melted. I'm just hitting it now with the flat iron, and this is how it came out. So my final thoughts is she's not bad. She does have her cons, and she is not giving 180% density to me. She's giving more like 120, 150, you know, but she's such a cute style. The hair is actually really nice quality. I just wish she was thicker. So if you like the style, if you think that this is for you, go check it out. But being real, because your coin is involved, I've gotten better for less. That's all I'm gonna say. I love you dearly. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and until next time, stay sweet.
Thank